We've talked about news, sports, and feature stories, but there are a few other stories that make up the newspaper. Two of them are editorials and columns. These help provide personality and passion for the paper. Now, an editorial is usually 300 to 500 words. It's a commentary on a current event. They're traditionally unsigned, so they appear to express the opinion of the newspaper rather than any individual staff member. Next, you have the editorial cartoon. This is artwork combined with commentary that makes a statement about events in graphic form, found on the editorial page. Sometimes they relate to the page's editorial, but sometimes they don't. And sometimes they aren't really editorial at all, and just a place to stick a cartoon in a newspaper. And finally, you have your column. These are signed opinion pieces. They're set apart from the news and the sports stories by being on the opinion page and often including an author's photo and using a drop cap. That's this here, the large capital letter that begins the first paragraph of the column. They also sometimes use a different headline font. So what do you want to write a column about? Anything you want. You can do topical commentary, opinion pieces that react to current political events and social controversies. Personal meditations are another type of column, in which the columnists mine their personal lives for universal truths that resonate with your readers, musing about one's personal and private life. These columns can seem like diary excerpts, sharing painful, poignant, or humorous insights about your families, your friends, and your social relationships. There's also the slice of life column, an opinion piece that reads like a story and captures a slice of the everyday life of ordinary folks. When writing a column, it's important to have a distinctive voice. Ideally, your readers would be able to tell which column was yours, even if your name wasn't with it. Veteran British columnist Keith Waterhouse says if your style isn't easily recognizable, what you have there is not a column, but a signed article. Do your own reporting. Just because it's an opinion piece doesn't mean you get to skimp on the facts. Research public records and conduct your own interviews with sources. Choose worthy topics and avoid jumping on the bandwagon every time a scandal erupts. And always have a backup, something generic and timeless, to run when you just can't think of anything else to write about. These pieces are called evergreen because they can work at any time. They're always around, kind of like an evergreen tree.